At Nebraska Furniture Mart, we believe in improving people's lifestyles. Not just with the products we sell, but with the services we offer. Our Smart Home Services team works with you and your architect, builder, and contractor to create a powerful whole home experience. From smart home speakers to whole home automation, custom home theaters, security systems, outdoor entertainment, and commercial automation systems, no job is too big or too small. We put power and control at your fingertips to bring your vision to life. We've made it easier than ever. Contact our Smart Home Services team or visit us in-store to schedule a free consultation. We guide you through every step of the design process to create a custom experience with the most reputable products from the most trusted brands. For us, it isn't just about giving you the power, control, and simplicity of the latest technology. It's about giving you the peace of mind that comes with security, the joy of shared experiences, and the satisfaction of improving your lifestyle.